Hello and welcome. This is a video tutorial on how to make payment with gift card on linkdata.com. Step 1. Choose a service and add to cart. Step 2. Complete checkout by providing the necessary information as shown on the checkout page. Once you reach the payment options, make sure to select Pay with Gift Card. Step 3. Click Pay, then enter the OTP code sent to your email. Step 4. Go to your Invoices section. You will see one unpaid invoice. Click on the invoice to open it. Step 5. Enter the 14-digit gift card number on the invoice and click Pay with Gift Card. After the payment is accepted, a confirmation message will be sent and your service will be activated instantly. Thank you for choosing linkdata.com.